Hey there, folks. So I have a little bit of a problem. I just own a lot, or not a lot, like a couple SD cards. I don't have anywhere to put them. So we're gonna fix that. Yeah. Okay, so I was gonna record this on the green screen curtains, but not because my shirt will throw off the chroma key. So I have a version that works, but I'm afraid that over time I'll cut my hand on this sharp little edge. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add knurling around and like round this off a bit so that it has a more textured grip. But look at that, that's beautiful. It's gorgeous. I love it so much. And it's not meant to fall out, so let's hope it doesn't. So I'm gonna do that hopefully tonight, and we're gonna see how that goes. No, that's not it either.
Hey, what's wrong there, cowpoke?
Wait, who said that?
Me. Down here.
Why is my pencil sharpener talking? I'm going crazy.
No. Don't worry about who's talking where. Tell me what's wrong.
Why?
Just do it already, goddammit.
Okay. I'm out of ideas and I really want to print something.
Oh, okay. I got the perfect solution for you there, pal. Just head over to printables.com at evelynb_2297310 whispers, link in the description.
Whoa, there's so many models here. Thanks, Barry.
Now back to your regularly scheduled broadcast.
It's time to go to bed, but I'm gonna print this anyways. So, I finally have like a almost finished version. It's just missing a couple things. One, it's really like rigid and sharp along here. Like it'll cut my finger if I like use it too much. Secondly, if I can get this open. Perfect. This inside looks fine and everything, you know. I just forgot to, re-extrude this inside piece, so it's just like kind of solid through there. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah. So one more version, and honestly, we should be pretty good. It did cut me. Ow. So yeah. Hey, so it's me editing this right now, and I completely forgot to show the SD slot variations I went through. I lost the prototypes, but I still have the fusion footage, so here.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
Well, after a few weeks, it honestly would have been done sooner if I was just working on it nonstop. But we have our final product. This guy. This SD card. I'm gonna get a closer close-up of it in a second, but yeah. If you want to download the file yourself and print it, my printables will be linked in the description. After only like 3 actual prototypes do we have our final, which is probably the quickest that I've ever gotten a final product out of anything that like I constructed myself. If I didn't want the knurled edges, this would have been the final, genuinely, because it's just good. But yeah, well, I hope you enjoyed this, and if you have any other ideas for what I should make, I don't know, tell me, and I'll see you in the next video tutorial.
We are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams.